Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the velocity edit in CapCut. So here how you can do velocity edit easily on CapCut. First, you just need to import a clip and also along with the music that you want. Then after that, click on a clip, go to style, and in here go to the velocity tab, and then just choose which one to use. There are 5 velocity edit options, but the free one is only the flash, so I'm going to just use the free one here to show you. Click on the options that you choose and wait for CapCut to generate the velocity effect to your clips. Okay, so now the velocity has been applied. You can just click on the check icon and you'll easily see the result by playing it, and there you go, you'll have that velocity edit that you want. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Thank you.